Give him a warm clap as he's coming, just to encourage him. Karibu sana.
To His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Canon Ezekiah Oduor, the firstborn in the family of General Ogolla. General Ogolla was the fifth-born in the family of Mzee Joel Okech Oyeyo and Mama Damaris Okello. General was a very loving man to the family. And when we received the sad news of General, when we were preparing for the 100 years celebration of our dad, it was very sad indeed. General was a very staunch Christian who loved prayers and read the Bible severally. He did a lot even to his church. He did a lot even to his community. At the moment, General has left a very big gap in our family because he was taking care of our dad, making sure that he gets medication and checkups regularly. He was also making sure that he sent something to the widows who were in his hands. There were over 30 widows. He also made sure that the students who are orphans in the area never missed their education. And he had no love boundaries, regardless of economic background, social or education background of any person. So we thank God for his life. In the book of Matthew 6:33 says, "Seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all other things shall be added unto you." He added, he was considering that part, and God added him all that he required. At the moment, he has also left a very young lady, my sister-in-law Eileen. At least some concerns can be made to make sure that her life continues, because her status in life had gone to a certain level, and now General has left some gap. Otherwise, I thank each one of you to condole with us. Have safe journey masses at the end of the function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mrs.